Hello and welcome back, real estate owners and investors. We're finally getting into my favorite season here in Indiana. That's right, hoodie season. My name is Chris Knight here, Business Development Manager with Red Door Property Management, and today we're tackling a common scenario in the world of property management. What to do when your tenant wants to break a lease early. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of maintaining a positive relationship with your tenant if possible. A good tenant-landlord relationship can lead to smoother transactions, fewer vacancies, and ultimately better reviews for your property. So, when a tenant approaches you with an early lease termination request, try to approach it with empathy and understanding. Now, let's discuss the two options that we at Red Door Property Management use that can help you avoid unnecessary vacancies and rental income loss. Option 1. The tenant can find a replacement themselves and pay a lease break fee equal to 75% of 1 month's rent for processing the move out and move in of a new tenant. This option allows the tenants to take control of their situation while ensuring you continue to receive rental income. Option 2. The tenant can hire you or your management company to find a replacement tenant. The fee for this service is equal to 1 month's rent, and the current tenant is responsible for rent until the new tenant lease takes effect. This option gives you an active role in the process and guarantees a seamless transition. Now let's dive deeper into the benefits of option 1, where the tenant finds a replacement themselves. This option empowers tenants, giving them more control over their move and helps them avoid the financial burden of an enormous lease break fee. With a 75% lease break fee, it covers the costs associated with processing the move out and move in of the new tenant, making it a fair compromise. Option 2, where the tenant hires you or your management company, also has its advantages. You as the owner or your experienced property management company can quickly find a suitable and qualified replacement tenant. While it comes with a 1 month rent fee, this option ensures minimal downtime with the current tenant covering rent until the new tenant moves in. So, how do you choose the right option? It depends on your circumstances as well as your tenant situation. Consider factors like the tenant's reason for moving, the local rental market, and your willingness to take an active role in the process. Remember, open communication is key. Discuss both options with your tenant and find a solution that works best for everyone. Look, in conclusion, dealing with early lease terminations doesn't have to be a headache. By offering these two options, you can maintain a positive relationship with your tenant while avoiding unnecessary vacancy and potentially loss of rental income altogether. Remember, flexibility and understanding can go a long way in the world of real estate. That's all for today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And as always, feel free to reach out with any questions or scenarios you'd like us to cover. Until next time, happy investing.